Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope today's day was good for you. Markets were down, definitely, and it is likely to remain like this for some time. Uh, US may, like Trump, overnight announced tariffs on metals. So because of that, markets across the, and that is for everyone, not for Canada, Mexico, that's for everyone, and that is over and above the tariffs already which are in place for metals. This was the overhang which the markets had in the morning. Apart from that, the gold is lifetime high. Gold to rocket ki tarah just going up. Silver is also on a high, as I've already said, and domestic events have now settled down. We have the elections are over. Even Delhi elections are over. The budget is over. मतलब domestic reasons अभी उतने नहीं हैं for the market to be either going up or coming down. It's that was the day was flat most of the time. The markets were flat, but still now PM is visiting France first for the AI summit, and then he would be going to the US. So maybe some news can come on some tariffs. That's what people are expecting, and even for the um, AI and tech and all those kind of stocks. Apart from that, money is being pulled out of India. FIIs are still selling, and of course, they have better market according to them, the US markets, and they are more interested in the US market because India is an expensive market. Okay, because valuations are high and all that. I mean, the valuations have corrected quite a lot, but as compared to other markets, India is an expensive market still. Okay, so that's why the FIIs are pulling out of the Indian markets. And what is happening is that the small and mid caps are taking a major beating. Hmm. Because of that, the stocks, the mid cap and small cap stocks, are down like some stocks are 30-40%, and in fact, some are even more than that down. So now, in fact, जो MFB has mutual funds and all that, small and mid cap wale, they are also down. In fact, someone was asking me that, ma'am, I kind of, I was planning a holiday for the summer vacation using my mid cap and all that. तो उसका जो रिटर्न है अभी वो अपने से उतना रिटर्न ही नहीं है. हाँ, उस वाले उसमें मैंने बोला मैं भी कर रही थी, but the that mutual fund is down. The mid cap, it was totally a mid cap mutual fund. So now what should one do in such a market? And the market is likely to remain like that for some time. I mean, in near term, as I said, I don't see any major fillip for the market, and I don't even see any. These big events are over. Abhi, the election which is coming is Bihar election, which is end of the year. Some are even predicting that there will be a rally from March onwards. I don't know what is the basis of that, but Babito, we are watching the macros, what is happening outside the country. Let's see. But apart from that, PSU banks, PSU stocks have taken a major hit. And I have been saying this, and in fact, if you've been listening to other experts also, they are also saying that go after quality names. There is no mid cap, small cap, large cap as such. Go after quality names, and mostly even the earnings season is over now. We are almost getting over with the earnings result also. So you kind of know which are the companies which are doing well and which have good balance sheets. And in fact, there are some companies which have not reported mixed result, but they have good order book. ऐसी defense में है कोई companies, ऐसी railways में है. The railways have taken a huge hit. Okay, railway stocks. I still have, I personally have RBN. I have HDFC Securities. I am not selling them. Okay, I bought them very early, not very early. So I am still in profit in those stocks. So, but when you are saying that the profit will take some time to come back to the level that they were. Okay, I am not saying because I am still believing it because RBNL has a every time I look at RBNL, I think that's very good. RBNL has then there is this weird this has got a new order today. Then we can also got some 962 order from the Indian Navy. So we can also have. Okay. So now, as I said, I put them long back. So I have them and I'm not going to sell them. Okay. And anyway, this is only for informational purposes. This is becoming strict. You cannot name stocks. You can't talk about them. You can't suggest. We keep getting advisories every now and then. It comes in the mail. Okay. So this is for informational purposes, just as a discussion that we are having on the markets. I'm talking a little slowly because my daughter is sleeping, just nearby. So I hope the audio is clear. Let me know if the audio is clear. I'll just ask. Okay. Okay. So this was the market wrap for today. Fortis reported a good quarter, a very good quarter. Zaggle reported a good quarter today. And what else? Okay, so volatility will continue. The pointers are this: US is the FIIs are pouring money into US, and money is moving out of emerging markets. And this is not the case only with India; it is case with all the emerging markets. Geopolitics, and I think I've said all this. Pointers मैं देखने के पहले ही बोल देती. Smart money now will start eyeing the emerging markets because, as I said, the valuations have corrected quite a bit for the emerging markets, especially for India. But still, India is an expensive market. And what else? Yeah, continue your SIP. This is what I would say as an authorized person. Please keep putting money in your SIPs. Don't stop your SIP for the market down. And should I continue? Should I not continue? No, this way of passive investing is always safe because you are still participating in the market, but you are not getting into risk. You're not taking high risk. So please continue your SIP. I am continuing my SIPs and my mutual funds. Okay, this is a market which for the last 10 years have given very good returns, like excellent returns. So कुछ correction तो आएगा ही उसमें, you know. So ये period भी देखना जरूरी है. It's a good learning experience for everyone. And Dow is up. US markets are up at the moment. And I'll talk today's gainers. I'll tell you what are the today's gainers. Today's Signature Global, that real estate one. टॉप गेनर्स में है सिग्नेचर है, रेडिंगटन है, आईटीसी होटल्स है, अवंती फीड, इंजीनियर्स इंडिया is these are among today's gainers. Okay, and today's top losers were NetWeb, JM Financial, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Elcom and सोफा. इसमें भी एक रियल एस्टेट नाम है. अच्छा, ऐसे में भी 52 वीक हाई पे है M&M, रेडिंगटन, कोटक बैंक. Kotak Bank did very well today. Even HDFC was up. FMCG are up. Pharma stocks. The depreciating rupee is good for the pharma sector. Okay. So आज के जो दो top gainers हैं, I will not talk much today. This will be a little short live. I think I have given you the reason. Okay. So one of the top gainer. Now these I pick from the जो चर्चित स्टॉक्स होते हैं ना, वो उस टाइप के स्टॉक्स हैं. नो वन डिस्कसेस why is सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल अप टुडे, why is रेडिंगटन अप टुडे, why is वोल्टास, ऐसे जो बड़े बड़े नाम हैं. No, people don't talk about them. People talk about these small stocks. So today is this Cords Cable Industry Limited. This stock was up 20%. It closed at 197 rupees. Okay, so this is as the name says, it's a cable and wires company. Okay, they are providing solutions for electricity, connectivity, and they're making different types of cables. Okay, this closed at 197, and this is 20% up. Okay. This is the market cap of the company is 254 crore rupees, and the stock PE is 19, and ROC of the company is 15.4, and face value of stock is 10 rupees. Okay, earning per share is, how much is the earning per share? 10 rupees. Okay, I saw these the financials of this company. This company has decent financials. If I look at the chart, 1 year back this was at 199 rupees, around the same levels at which it is roaming at the moment. It went up till 269 in June last year. Then, like this market, it is also like this. Okay, of course, till September the market was doing very well, but even then also this stock was going up and down. They have if I compare with the peers, then they have a decent ROC if I compare, but the competitors are, the peers are Polycab, KEI, Finolex, RR Cable, RR Kabil, they pronounce that like that. But usse iska, all those of them, they have ROC of around 31, 27%, 21%. This is still it's a decent, it's a small company. ROC of around 15%. I looked at the quarterly results, and they announced their result, I think today only. Their net profit has gone up, okay, from 2.63 crore rupees to 4.68 crore. Probably this was the reason why this stock was up today. Their operating profit has also gone up. Operating profit, the margin is slightly up, but operating profit is up from 11 crores to 12.86 crore rupees, and EPS is also up. Earnings per share is also up from 2 point some rupees 3.62. If I look at the profit loss statement, which is a year-on-year thing, and operating margin is a little down, but their operating profit is up from 41 crore rupees to 47 crore rupees. The net profit is also up from 10 crores to 13 crores, and EPS is also up from 7.79 rupee to 10.38 rupees. This is TTM, okay, and return on equity is 5% for the last 3 years, and the last year was around 6%. This has a decent financials. 51 or 52% roughly is with the promoters, and 46% is with the public. FIIs also have around 1.35% stake in the company. Okay, so this is Cord's cable. This is a cables and wire stock. Okay, this was up today 20%. The other company is the other company is Gaura Leasing and Finance Limited. Okay, this is a NBFC kind of a company. It's non-deposit taking, non-banking financial corporation. Okay, this can be categorized as a loan company. It's like into for the mid corporate and retail level, medium size. This stock was also up 20%. It closed at 59.4 rupees. 59 rupees the close हुआ है. Market cap of the company is 32 crore rupees. It's a small, very small company. And stock P is around 10. ROC of the company is 16.4%. And its ROE is, return on equity is 12.7%. Earning per share is 7 rupees 50 paisa. वैल्यूएशन के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो दिस इज अ recently valued stock. 10 rupee face value of stock. The stock is currently at 59.4 rupee. But according to Indian markets, it's cheap stock. If I look at the chart, 1 year back it was around 23 rupees का था ये, और अभी ये बंद हुआ है कितने पे? 59 पे. It went up till 71 rupee around 8 November. But this has a decent chart. Okay. Now, if we look at the ROC of the company is 16.4, which is better than actually Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Geo Financial, Muthoot Finance 13% है, Muthoot Finance का, Bajaj Finance का 11% है, but इसका 16.4% है. But this is a much, just look at it, it's a smaller company. ये सब तो giants है, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv and all that. This is a two company, and you can't compare, but they are the peers. Operating profit has gone up from 0.62 crore rupees to 62 lakhs, say 1.26 crore rupees. This is quarterly, and net profit has also gone up from 57 lakh rupees to 1.80 lakh crore. Sorry, 57 lakh rupees से बढ़कर 1.80 crore rupees है. EPS has also gone up from 1.90 per 1.90 per share. My daughter has woken up to 3.30 rupees per share. Okay, it's a small company, छोटी सी non-banking company है, non-deposit company है. Okay, if you look at the year-on-year thing, then also its operating profit has gone up from 1.23 uh, crores to 2.81 crore rupees. And actually, this is the highest. If you look at actually from March 2013, so this is the highest. This is a good period for banking and non NBFC stocks. Operating margin has also gone up from 44% to 76%. Their share is also 7.37 to 7.56 rupees. And the net profit is also up to 3.808 crore rupees. Okay, so this they have a decent balance sheet to show currently. Actually, the stock is doing it's not bad. Okay, if you the shareholding at 61% is the promoter and 38.95% is public. It has a total of 1,962 shareholders. So it's a small company. It's to own holding company, and it was up 20%. The stock was up 20% today. Okay, I think this is where I end today's live. It's a little shorter live, and I will have tomorrow with a big live because you know my daughter has woken up. Okay, so nearly if we look at the just one trivia I wanted to share. Yeah, FMCG companies were complaining that they have to, the bigger, uh, even the biscuit packs and all, they are not selling well, but the jewelry and all that is selling more. It's a thing. It's a discretionary spend has gone up, and the staples have come down. The spending on staples have come down. This is what the consumption pattern is. I have to read more patterns. Uh, these sports drinks, their sales have gone up. In fact, I think there is a new launch which happened today. I think I was reading mm, Reliance Retail has launched Spinner करके sports drink hai, they have launched for 10 rupees. This is also one segment which is seeing a lot of competition, uh, you know, in this time period and also coming. So now retailers are preparing for that. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I will not be able to do a live. I'll see you day after. I am busy. I have to go somewhere and all that. So I may not be able to do. I won't be watching the markets tomorrow. I will be missing markets. And please miss me and also say something here. Say hello, hi, something to cheer me up. I'm not sleepy, but I was talking slowly because you know not to wake up my daughter. So that's why. So otherwise, I'll see you say day after, which is on Wednesday. Tomorrow, do miss me. Okay. So good night. Take care, and yes, all the best for tomorrow. And let's hope tomorrow we see more of green rather than red on the screens. So take care and sleep well. Bye.